everybody, like we promised, we're back with a few more stretches for the second most common issue that we hear, people with low back pain. Now remember folks, this is only things that we do after we know that we actually don't have a back injury. We find that a lot of the problems people have with low back pain and low back stiffness comes from a lack of flexibility. But what's funny is that lack of flexibility isn't only in the back, it tends to start in the calves. It works its way up. So we're going to go through a series of stretches here that again you should do daily. You'll probably find some relief for that back pain and back stiffness. So Amanda here is going to show us a simple calf stretch. And we can do this almost anywhere. We're going to get our foot up nice and high against the wall. We're going to easily lean into it until we start to feel a stretch in the back of that calf. All right, good job. Now have a step away. Now again, for the sake of time, we're only going to run through one side on each body part, but we're going to want to stretch each side equally for about 25 to 30 seconds. Next one we're going to do is a hamstring stretch. We're going to cross one foot over the other. We're going to bend over. We're just going to let gravity do the work, nice and easy. Okay? You don't force this till you feel a stretch in the hamstring. Only go as far as you feel comfortable. We're going to hold that again for about 25 to 30 seconds. We're going to stand up. Next one we're going to do is one for the outside of the glute and the hip. So what she's going to do is she's going to cross one ankle over her knee, and she's going to go ahead and squat down. You can do this holding on to a table or a door frame. And she's going to do that until she feels the stretch out through here and in through her glute. And that's going to help take some tension off her lower back. I'll show you a little bit better way to do this exercise or this stretch. Go ahead and sit down. And this is if you're in a position where you can actually get down and sit on the floor. We're going to do the same thing. Cross that ankle over the knee. We're going to reach through to the back of that knee. We're gently going to pull that leg towards our chest. And as we do, we're going to feel a stretch in through there. Relax back and just breathe through. Last stretch we're going to do is actually for the lower back. So she's going to go ahead and sit up. One leg out straight. Go ahead and put this leg over top of that one there. Put your foot on the other side of your knee. And she's going to rotate towards me. Come around. Come towards me this time. There we go, like that. We're going to put the arm behind that leg, and very easily we're going to look this way, and as we breathe out and exhale, we'll push and put a little bit of rotation on that lower back to stretch it out. Okay? Again, 35 to 40 seconds on each side, and you can go through these series of stretches quite a bit. So go ahead and hop on the website, www.firstonefit.com, and check out more of our videos, learn more about what we do here at First Fit.